Hello, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Today we've fitted a double-din KENWOOD unit with CarPlay capabilities to a Mitsubishi ASX 2015. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle, and as you can see it's got digital radio, it's got Apple CarPlay, it's got FM, it's got Bluetooth capabilities for the hands-free, so it's got a discrete microphone up there, and we've got the DAB antenna on the windscreen there, and also we've retained the USB, so we've got CarPlay inside there, and if I push on the button now it'll take me to the CarPlay home screen. This unit has got a reverse camera being fitted into it, so anytime you engage reverse gear the image will pop up on screen, a nice visual aid for reversing. If you have a Mitsubishi and you would like to upgrade the stereo in your car, call the experts at Source on 0114 257 1550, or alternatively you could email us at sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching, see you later.